Jai Hind friends, today in a short video we are going to discuss about Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967. Recently this was in news because the three-judge bench of Supreme Court has ruled that even a mere membership of a banned association is sufficient to constitute an offence under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967. Let's get some information about UAPA. Basically, this act came into existence for effective prevention of unlawful activities associations in India. This act gives absolute power to the central government to handle the terror activities basically. And the maximum punishment which one can get is death penalty or life imprisonment. Under UAPA, both Indian and foreign nationals can be charged, and irrespective of the fact that where you are committing the crime, be it India or outside India, the law is equally applicable to you or to the offender. I was talking about the absolute power. Here you would be getting the proof of that. The investigating agency can file a charge sheet in maximum 180 days. That is a kind of threshold. After the arrest, they have 180 days. Even in certain cases, they can intimate the court and they can extend the time limit. Now, there are certain facts which would be helping you in order to analyze and make your own opinion that what could be the consequences of the absolute power. In 2022, PUCL report says that the conviction rate in UAPA cases were 3%. They took the data from 2015 to 20 and analyzed and got to know that the 3% conviction rate was there. Apart from that, another information is there that between 2018 and 2020, only 1080 people were able to receive the bail out of 4690 people detained under the UAPA. So, in conclusion, I would love to say that whenever absolute power is given to any organization or any person, it should have check and balances. Otherwise, there are wide scopes, there are more chances that it could be misused. Thank you.